Before carrying out any maintenance to your machine, please ensure that it is turned off at the switch, the spark plug is disconnected, and you're wearing appropriate safety equipment. Hello! Today we're going to do a blade and blade boss change on a 21-inch Titan Pro self-propelled lawnmower. To get yourself started, you're going to need to secure the lawnmower on its back. Secure the handles under a suitable item and chock the wheels. So the first task is to remove the centre bolt, but please make sure it's nice and clean before trying to undo it. To remove the centre bolt, you're going to need a breaker bar or a long ratchet with a 16mm socket. Also, put a piece of cloth around the blade for extra protection. After loosening the bolt, remove it along with the blade boss, and making sure the key is in the keyway and that you don't lose it. If you're thinking about not replacing the blade boss, please check for any damage on the mating surfaces here, here and here. When installing the blade boss, make sure the spacing washer is located inside. Line up the keyway and slide it on. So you get the blade, make sure you line up the elliptical hole and the round hole on the blade boss compared to the blade, and lightly do up the bolt. To tighten the bolt, get a torque wrench, set it at 70 pound-foot or 95 Newton meters and do it up until it clicks. To purchase any spares for our Titan Pro garden machinery, please follow the link below.